playground.
Are you sure? Yes. Are you excited? Let me see your excited face. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Hi. Uy. Hi guys. We're going to playground. Yeah, with Mamang and
Mommy.
yes. Are you happy? Oh, ganyan ba yung happy? Ganyan ba happy? Yes, happy face. Inaantok ka eh. Oh,
What are you singing?
what are you singing? Oh. Batat dia. Sama na pa imong daw. Yes. Wow. Yeah. Nice.
We're almost there.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Yeah, almost there in the playground.
The playground. The lake. Wow, nice. There lang.
Hello.
Wow, nice. May nagpicnic ti Oh, nagpipiknik sila ti. Nagdala sana tayo ng bread. Ipapakain natin sa mga mga swan.
May swan ba dito?
Ay mga goose. Geese. Geese te. Oh.
Let's go.
Yay, excited inside. Excited? Oh, playground? Where's the playground? Let's go. So ito yung Crystal Lake. Green na lahat. Last week, pa to te? Brown pa te. Ngayon, na? Ay, naglalaro sila. Green na green. Where's the playground daw? Over there.
We have to walk pa over there.
Over there. Ganito si Tessa noon eh. Ganito kaliit. I miss so much. Tessa.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Dito kami nagagala-gala. Tapos kami ng mga blueberries, yung mga na blueberries, native. Dito.
May blueberries dito?
Oo. Yan, dinadala-dala namin yung mga paglagyan namin. May dala-dala kaming paglagyan para sa blueberries. Let's go, Itay! Walk, run. Let's go. Run and run. Run and run. Run ha, careful ha. Madapa ha. Follow mama. Slowly. Short ka sana. So dito ako dumadaan, nagbabike ako lagi-lagi dito, araw-araw, umaga at hapon. Dito ako dumadaan, shortcut ito sa Superstore. So ito yung ruta ko, araw-araw. Ori! Aurora! Kumakanta eh. Let it go! Let it go! Gihangak ko yan.
Dito kayo.
Pwede rin. Let it go, let it go. Yes, let it go.
What's your
Ibuhat. Watch your step. Shortcut kami dito sa mga mga puno-puno.
Talahiban.
Grabe. Talahib. Kaano ng lumok? It's a playground lang oh. Nice. Yes, that's playground. Naghanap ng playground. It's a playground. Let it go! Let it go! Sabi pa niya. Gigil si mamang. Ay! Ayun, doon tayo. Sige, we walk na.
Come on.
Come on there. Flowers oh! Nice! No, not like that. There, the pink one, over there. Yes! That is cherry blossom. Let's go! Run! Get it, run! Cherry blossom. Jogging lang, mama. Wow, nice one, Aurora. Look at that. We are here in Grand Prairie. Cherry blossom here in Grand Prairie. Nice color. I love it. I love Grand Paris flower.
What did you say?
Okay,
What did you say?
Okay. Oh, lamok. Okay, this one. Oh, nice. Very nice. What's this?
Wow, what's that lang?
Oh,
flower?
yes, cherry.
Cherry flower.
Cherry blossom.
Cherry flower.
Cherry flower. Yay! Cherry flower.
So pretty lang.
So pretty. What do you Yay!
Let me see.
You're so pretty.
So pretty naman. You want to see yourself?
Oh my! No, nahulog. Ayan. So, ayan, napakaganda. Sobrang nag-bloom ngayon kasi kasagsagan ng summer dito sa Canada. Spring pa, pero walang spring kaya. Ayan. Yan si Aurora. Napagod sa kakatakbo. You're happy? Happy ikaw? Rabban? For you? Oh my God, this is for you. 3. That's means I love you. Wow.
Cherry.
Cherry blossom. Yeah.
Cherry blossom.
Yes. So nice.
Cherry blossom.
Yeah.
So cute.
So cute, ate. So cute.
Cute, mommy. Look. This is your flower.
Yeah.
This is
Flowers.
Ganda no.
Wala na yung shorts.
Can you look at mommy? Ay, hala. We're going to the playground if you smile po.
Smile! Oh no! Smile! Lang! Your panty! Lalilingkod doon.
How about this one? How about here?
Over there lang.
Lang, how about over here lang?
Over there.
Lang, how about over here?
Yan, picture. Minsan lang to eh. So, every year, namumulaklak talaga to. Parang 3 years pa lang to na tinanim. Pero ang ganda-ganda ng bulaklak. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 puno.
Over here, this one. This one, the big one, oh, the big one.
Wow!
Mommy?
Oh, very good! Good job, Ori!
Can you show it to mommy? Show it to mommy.
Blow, babe, blow.
Blow it. Show it to mommy.
Wow, Ori, good job. Ay!
Look at this one, this one, this one, this one.
Blow. Blow.
Blow it,
Na-
blow it. Blow it.
Mayroon palang madali eh.
Like this.
Oh, are you happy? Let's go na. Oh! Marunong na eh. Happy? Kaganda.
Let's go, Ori. Come on.
Ganda tino, grabe. Pagganda-ganda.
Hindi na kailangan pumunta ng Japan.
Kaya nga eh.
Punta tayo playground ba?
Oh.
Go.
May playground doon.
Sa babang poy.
Ha? Unsa nga bata?
Sa babang sa.
Naunsa?
Naunsa man na bata?
Sa mga papa.
Ay, suon-suon na kaganda. May kay kabisaya ba?
Bisaya. Say Bisaya ako.
Bisaya, ayo.
Bisaya daw siya.
Bisaya ako.
Bisaya ayo.
Hindi, Tagalog.
Ayo ako.
Magulit si Ori.
Makulit si Ori. Makulit ang bata.
Ayun makulit.
Ayun, makulit. Sure?
Kaya to.
Oh.
Iti yati. Oh, api.
Sing, ikaw nga.
Let it go.
Sing. Let it go. Touch me. Touch me, Inday. Touch me. You're here. Touch me, Inday. Touch me. Ground ate.
We're going there.
Wow, yun yung lake. Doon sa unahan, lake.
Walk na. We're going to the playground na. Over there. Come on.
Ganda dito, oh. Pag ganitong oras. Ano na eh, 8, magna 9 na te, di ba? Magna 9. Ito, oh, grabe ang linis-linis. Tino? Let's go! Just 30 minutes lang sa ground ha, playground. Yes. We're going to the playground.
I want to talk.
Duck mang. Let's go.
Oh.
Yes, mommy.
Oh, you're not scared, Inday? Just scared. Be? Oh! Oh. Oh, dito na-miss ko to ah. Grabe. Ah, happy. Okay, let's go na. Oh, na-miss ko to ah. Sobra. Oo, dito kami lagi. Dito kami nagpipiknik. Yan. Hindi, wala pang kulay noon eh. Ano? Lang! Oh.
Pilipino man may ari dito sa unahan.
Oo.
Gasampay siya ka ng mga ano. Gasampay siya mga ano.
Hi. Who's excited? Let me see. Excited face?
Yay! Maulog ka. Happy, Inday? Happy, Inday?
Sige na, go slide na.
Slide ikaw, careful ikaw ha. Kasi maano yung legs mo. Pagbiya na ako kay Tessa, 4 years old na. 1 year and 8 months si Tessa noon pagkita. Pag first time na mo. Okay? Slide na ikaw nga. Sabi siya mamang be. Happy na ko ngisi. Ay, grabe. Uy. It's okay. It's not dirty.
This is
No,
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
into slide.
It's okay, it's okay, it's nothing.
I clean.
No more na, no more.
Ikaw na, mami. Arty-arty ka pa ha.
You want to go there in the ladybug, oh?
Ladybug. Nakatali, diba?
Sit down there, oh.
Sus, oy, careful, oy.
May naiwang sombrero.
Saan nga siya nakandero?
Whee!
Mama also here. Mama also.
Look.
You want to stand here? You want to stand? Oh no! How about Ori? Uh-huh. Hello.
Help me, Mama. Help me.
Okay. You jump ha, like this ha. You follow mama like this ha. 1, 2, like that ha. Hindi ka balo si mamang oy. Ikaw. How about Ori? Taas na kailang. Oh my God. Look, then.
Wow!
Don't touch
So
it.
strong.
Ori. Yay! Winner! Ihangap ko ni mo lang.
Look. Look. Hi! 1, 2, 3, go! Whee! Ang tuwa eh.
Parang bata lang ano. Parang hindi 50 years old.
Again.
Again, mama too. Again.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, wow. Di ba shortcutan lang dito, te? Papunta dun, te.
Mas malapit dyan.
Oo, nagbabike.
Doon, mas malapit dyan.
Dito nagbabike si Tessa, te. Dito na simplang-simplang.
Hmm? Push?
Di ba may bike si Aurora?
One,
Te, ikaw na kaya te. Si Aurora
Three,
mag-bike yan.
go! So much fun daw. So much fun.
So much fun. Ay!
Let's swing, Mommy. Let's swing. Do
Swing
that.
again,
That
Mommy.
do, Mommy.
Mommy too?
Bye.
Mommy too?
Ang mag-ina. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, mama. Okay, come on. Wow! Ang gaganda din ng mga bahay dito, te. Malalaki. Dalawa-dalawa yung mga garahian. Oh, nag-enjoy si baby namin ah. Ay, gabi na eh. Natutulog na yung mga kapitbahay. Andito pa tayo. Te, hindi yan maano, te. Masimplang. Baka mahulog. Ganyan pala, te, no? Nakaano siya, nakaangkla siya. Ganda, no? Ha?
Baby small, Mama.
Very small. Gusto. Wow! It's like so much fun. Wow! Ah. Yay! Galing. Oh, sa maning.
Yung phone ko na yun.
Oh. Yes, what is that? Letter M.
M.
How about letter A? There, letter A. Where's letter A? Yes, perfect. How about letter B? That one. And letter C. Oh, wow. Happy, oy. Go, 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 go. Go, mommy's there. Go. Hey, girl. Let's go home.
No.
Ala, saan man na ni Ron? Let's go home.
No.
Tinilatay te. Wow, step. Sige. It's okay. Come on.
Ready,
Set.
go.
Ready, set, go kakaroon. Happy? Gusto niya dyan eh. Okay, one more. Last one. Then we'll go home. No? Not like that. Oh no? Not like that. Iunahin yung kamay niya, te.
No, 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 no.
No, no, no. No good.
No, slide properly. Slide. Sit down. That's right. That's right.
Kakarating lang namin dito sa bahay at sana nagustuhan niyo ang video ito sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Lily Baclayo Vlogs para kasama ko kayo sa aming paglalakbay dito sa Canada. Thank you for watching!
Go for watching.
Bye!
Bye.